and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte, and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will review Renfield. Bram Stoker's Dracula was published in 1897, and more than a century later, the central character in the book continues to inspire. Directed by Chris McKay, Renfield is an entertaining film that centers around Dracula's henchmen and his assistant rather than the Count himself. McKay's approach to Renfield keeps proceedings lightweight, and that is what keeps it going. There is tons of ketchup sprayed because of the gore in the film, assuming they still use ketchup as a substitute for blood. Limbs are ripped off, skulls are smashed, and you get the drift about what all you can expect, but it is more in amusement than disgust that you watch the action unfold, which in a larger sense reminded me of the Kingsman franchise, which also had several characters compared to this film. Of course, when it comes to elements of blood and gore in cinema, it is a matter of your sensibility on how you react to it. Renfield, played by Nicholas Hoult, is a lawyer from London who comes for official work to Dracula, played by Nicolas Cage, but soon he ends up becoming Dracula's assistant of sorts, and his job includes bringing food of Dracula's choice. At one point, the Count demands a romantic couple, a busload of cheerleaders, and even nuns. At a self-improvement group, Renfield realizes that he is a codependent and starts feeling uneasy about his relationship with Dracula. Awkwafina plays Rebecca Quincy, an honest cop who has a tough time in the dishonest department. She arrests Teddy Lobo, a gangster whose mummy calls the shots. They pretty much have all the authorities in their pocket. A nicely crafted action scene brings Renfield and Rebecca face to face, and soon they are forced to join forces to take on Dracula as well as the other gangsters. Renfield himself has a lot of powers to break bones and cause severe destruction after he eats some bugs which provide him with all the strength. The film doesn't get bogged down at any point because there is clarity in the screenplay and direction. Renfield wants to shrug off the shadow of Dracula. Rebecca wants to do the right thing just like her dad did, while Dracula wants to do what he always did, which is protect his own interest. The amalgamation of it all comes through seamlessly without getting heavy-handed at any point. Also, given the premise, it doesn't offer anything unique or special, but once you're in the theatre, you are in reasonably safe hands. The casting helps, of course, because there's Nicolas Cage, who appears to be having fun while playing Dracula, and it has been a while since we have seen Nicolas Cage having any fun. Nicholas Hoult is sincere in portraying a conflicted character, while Awkwafina is eminently likable. On the whole, Renfield manages to sink its teeth in, and I'm going to go with 3 out of 5 stars for this new Dracula offshoot called Renfield. Well, that's what I thought of Renfield. Do let us know what you think. Do write into us. Our address is features@prudentmedia.in. And I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.